Hello children. Unit 9 Adventure 4th class English notes Part 2 Mountain. Read the poem. Words are given in 3 columns. Match them to make meaningful sentences and say them. One is done for you. Example: girls wear hand gloves to keep hands warm. First one: girls wear, girls feel, girls ignore, girls like, girls tap, girls do not. In second column: soar, to climb rocks, hand gloves, now, chill. Write. Frame meaningful sentences using the words given below. Wear, ignore, climb, know, feel, bite, whistle, rise. First one is wear. We wear sweater in cold. Second one, ignore. Don't ignore your parents. Third one, climb. Monkey climbing on the tree. Fourth one, know. People know about democracy. Fifth one, feel. I feel happy today. Sixth one, bite. I want to eat a bite of cake. Seventh one, whistle. Traffic police have whistle to alert vehicles. Rise. Sun rise in the morning. Teacher says these words. Listen and put them under the right box. Tear, mare, pear, ear, dear, fair, here, near, chair, clear, ear, air. A column in B column. In A column, tear, ear, dear, here, near, clear, ear. In B column, mare, pear, fair, chair, air. Play this game. Look at the pictures of adventurous sports. Read them. Fill in the table by putting star in the right column. One is done for you. Parachuting, paragliding, water rafting, rock climbing, surfing, skating, rope walking, bungee jumping, sports, played on the water, played in the air, played on the ground or rock, played on the ice, surfing, played on the water, parachuting, played on the air, paragliding on the air, water rafting in water, rock climbing on mountain, skiing on ice, skating, rope walking on air, bungee jumping on air and on the ground. Arunima Sinha, a brave soul. Read and answer orally, then write. Match the words of column A with those in column B. Say the answers aloud. First one, Arunima, a former volleyball player. Second one, doctors amputated her leg. Third one, dream, scaling Mount Everest. Fourth one, training, Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. Bachendri Paul, fifth one, trained Arunima. Sixth one, artificial leg, a challenge. People's advice, seventh one, stop expedition. Eighth one, achievement, reaching the top of Everest. Look at the pictures. These are used by mountaineers. Write the names of them. One is done for you. Sleeping bag. First one is sleeping bag. Second one is sports shoes. Third one jacket. Fourth one hand gloves. Fifth one hammer. Sixth one glasses. Seventh one water bottle. Starch. Fun with words. Look at the pictures and read the dialogues. Write one word for the underlined words and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. Pedestrians, centenarian, pesticide, draw. First one, Ajit. Grandpa, how old are you? Grandpa, I am 100 years old. Ajit, you are a centenarian, aren't you? Second one, Fatima. Did your team win the game? Prabha. No, our team neither lost nor won. The game ended in a draw. Third one, the police. Do you see the zebra crossing over there? Peter. Yes, who is it for? The police. It is for the people who walk on foot. Chintu. Do you mean to say it is for pedestrians? Fourth one. Rangana. The crops are infested with pests. How can I get rid of them? Bhimanna. Why don't you use chemicals to kill pests? Rangana. No, I don't want to kill them with pesticide. Read the given sentences, write what and whom the underlined words refer to. One is done for you. First one, Kamala is a ball badminton player. She trains others. She refers to Kamala. Second one, the skateboard is useful but it is very expensive. It refers to skateboard. Third one, Vishnu likes sports. He climbs rocks in his free time. He refers to Vishnu. Fourth one, hand gloves and boots are on the shelf. They are needed to scale mountains. They refers to hand gloves and boots. Main B. Read the following sentences, follow the example and fill in the blanks. Choose the words from those given in brackets. In bracket, theirs, his, yours, hers. The jacket is on the rack. It is my jacket. The jacket is on the rack. It is mine. First one. Gauri bought a tennis ball yesterday. It is her ball. Gauri bought a tennis ball yesterday. It is hers. Second one, Ganesha and Shanmukha carry bags on the in bag. The bags are theirs. Ganesha and Shanmukha carry bags on the back and bags are theirs. Third one, this is your oxygen cylinder. This oxygen cylinder is yours. Fourth one, these sunglasses belongs to Ravi. They are his. Main C. Read a letter written by Jyoti to Nihan. Write who the underlined words refer to. Choose the words from those given. In bracket, Warden, Jyoti, and her friends Nihan, Jyoti. Hi Nihan. My friend is visiting me this weekend. We are going to trek in Kodachadri Hill. Do you want to join us? Please give me a call before you leave your place. I want you to take permission from the hostel warden. Tell him that you will be back next Tuesday. See you at my place. Bye, Jyoti. Me means Jyoti. We means Jyoti and her friends. You means Nihan. Him means hostel warden. Read the passage, write the summary of it by filling in the blanks. The police went to an old woman's house. He inquired about the theft. The woman told him that it was night. She was sleeping. She heard a sound in the kitchen. She saw a thief in the kitchen. The thief opened the refrigerator and ate all the food. The police went to an old woman's house at night. The thief entered her house at 12 o'clock. She heard a sound in the kitchen. He opened the refrigerator and ate all the food. Fun. Sumant has lost his pencil. Help him to find it by showing the way. Have fun. Fill the empty spaces with words having the same meaning. Child, boy, kid. Fast, quick, hurry. Third one, see, look, watch. Here is a man with no eyes. He wanted to go to the eye care center. Can you show him the right direction to reach the center? Spot the differences. Find the circle 8 differences between the two pictures.